In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a birthday in Google Calendar on your mobile device. This method is straightforward, making sure you never miss a birthday with handy automatic reminders. Let's dive in by accessing Google Contacts. Once you have Google Contacts open on your mobile device, you'll need to locate the specific contact whose birthday you want to add to your calendar. This could be someone already in your address book, or if need be, you can create an entirely new contact. Once you've selected the contact, look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil. Clicking this will allow you to modify the contact's details. Now that you're in the editing mode, you'll want to scroll down until you find the option to add more fields. In this case, you're looking to add a birthday, so keep an eye out for the option labeled Birthday. Once you've found it, go ahead and enter the birth date. After you've input the date, remember to save your changes. Saving is crucial to ensure the birthday gets recorded. Once that's done, you'll want to open up Google Calendar to confirm that the birthdays are showing up properly. In the Google Calendar app, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different calendar options. Here, make sure that the birthdays calendar is checked. This setting ensures that any birthdays you've entered in Google Contacts will be automatically synced and appear in your Google Calendar each year. This method is fantastic because not only does it automatically populate your calendar with the relevant birthdays, it also keeps them updated every year without any additional input from you. It's an easy way to ensure that you never forget to celebrate a loved one's special day, eliminating the worry of overlooking important dates. And there you have it. Remember, this method is the best way to have automatic reminders for your contacts' birthdays, streamlining your calendar notifications efficiently. This setup can be a true lifesaver for those of us who have a lot of birthdays to remember or simply want the peace of mind that comes with automated reminders. Whenever you add or update a birthday in your Google Contacts, it will reflect in your Google Calendar automatically, keeping you in the loop year after year. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your digital organization. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tips and tricks to streamline your tech use. See you in the next video.